Hello! Welcome to our restaurant.
Hi, thank you.
Yes, just me.
Please follow me. This way, please.
Okay, thank you. Are you just starting to learn English? Don't worry. Practice English Lab will help you practice speaking, listening, and communicating naturally every day. Let's learn step by step. It's easy and fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts so we can all improve together every day.
Here is your table. Please have a seat.
Thanks. It looks nice here.
I'm glad you like it. Would you like something to drink first?
Yes, please. Can I have a glass of water?
Of course, still or sparkling?
Still water, please.
Sure, I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Are you ready to order food, or do you need more time?
I need a few minutes, please.
Sure, take your time. I'll come back soon.
Are you ready now?
Yes, I think so.
Great! Here is our menu. We have soup, salad, sandwiches, and pasta.
Okay. Can you tell me what's in the chicken soup?
It has chicken, carrots, onions, and noodles. It's warm and tasty.
That sounds nice. And what about the salad?
We have green salad, Caesar salad, and fruit salad.
What's in this Caesar salad?
Lettuce, cheese, chicken, and our special Caesar dressing.
That sounds good.
Would you like to try it?
Yes, I'll have the Caesar salad, please.
Great choice. Would you like anything else?
Yes, maybe some soup, too. I'll take a small chicken soup.
Perfect. And for your drink, only water?
Yes, just water for now.
Sure. Would you like any dessert later?
Maybe later. What desserts do you have?
We have chocolate cake, apple pie, and ice cream.
Yum! I love ice cream. Maybe I'll have it after the meal.
Sounds great. I'll bring your salad and soup soon.
I'm so lucky. This restaurant is always busy. I'm glad I got a seat.
Yes, it seems like a popular place. I'm glad I came here today, too.
Yes. Everything looks so clean and quiet here. I like it.
Here is your chicken soup, and here's your Caesar salad.
Wow, it looks delicious.
I hope you enjoy it. Would you like any bread with your soup?
Oh, yes, please.
I'll get it for you. Here you go.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, please let me know.
Sure, thank you.
How's the soup?
It's very good. The chicken is soft and the soup is warm.
I'm happy to hear that.
And the salad is fresh. I like the dressing, too.
Thank you. That's our special recipe.
Nice. Do many people order this salad?
Yes, it's one of our most popular dishes.
I see why. It's really good.
I'm glad you like it. Would you like to order dessert now?
Yes, please. I'll have ice cream.
What flavor would you like? We have vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry.
Chocolate, please.
Great choice. I'll bring it in a moment. Here's your chocolate ice cream.
Thank you. It looks so nice.
Enjoy.
It's so creamy. I love it.
I'm happy you do.
You're very friendly. Thank you for your service.
My pleasure. I'm always happy to help. How was everything, Ava?
It was perfect, Owen. The food was great, and I feel full.
I'm happy to hear that. Would you like some coffee or tea?
Maybe a cup of tea. Do you have green tea?
Yes, we do. Hot or cold?
Hot, please.
Sure thing. One hot green tea coming up. Here's your tea.
Thank you.
Would you like any sugar or honey?
A little honey, please.
Here you go.
Thanks. The tea smells nice.
It's from Japan. It's very smooth.
Wow, that's cool. I like green tea.
Yes, it's really good. I'm glad you enjoy it. So, was this your first time here?
Yes, it was. My friend told me about this place.
Oh, that's great. I hope you'll come again.
I will. The food and service are excellent.
Thank you very much. Would you like the check now?
Yes, please.
Thank you very much. Would you like the check now?
Yes, please.
Here's your bill. You had 1 Caesar salad, 1 chicken soup, 1 chocolate ice cream, and 1 tea.
Okay. How much is it?
It's $18.50 in total.
Here's $20.
Thank you. Here's your change, $1.50.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I also leave a tip?
Of course. Thank you very much.
You're very kind and helpful.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
I really enjoyed my time here. The restaurant is cozy and clean.
I'm so happy to hear that. We try our best to make every guest comfortable.
You did a great job.
Thank you, Ava. Would you like me to call a taxi for you?
No, it's okay. I can walk. It's not far.
All right. Please come again soon.
I will. Thank you again for the nice meal and service.
You're always welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Bye, Owen.
Bye, Ava. It's such a nice day outside, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The weather is perfect. Not too hot, not too cold.
True. A great day for a walk after a good meal.
Yes, I think I'll walk around the park nearby.
That sounds relaxing. Do you live close to here?
Yes, just a few blocks away. I moved here last month.
Oh, really? Welcome to the neighborhood then.
Thank you. I'm still exploring new places.
That's fun. There are many good cafes and shops around.
Oh, nice. Do you have any recommendations?
Yes. There's a bakery 2 streets away. They make great croissants and coffee.
Wow, I love croissants. I'll check it out.
And if you like quiet places, there's a small bookstore nearby too.
Oh, that sounds perfect. I like reading in quiet spots.
Same here. I usually go there after work. It's peaceful.
That's nice. You must be busy working here every day.
Yes, but I enjoy it. I like meeting new people like you.
That's very kind of you. You make your guests feel comfortable.
Thank you. That means a lot. Do you work here every day?
Almost. I usually work from Monday to Saturday. Sundays are my rest days. You must need that. The restaurant work seems busy.
Yes, but I don't mind. I love good food and happy customers.
That's great. I can tell you love your job.
I do. And what about you, Ava? What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English to kids.
Oh, really? That's wonderful. Kids are so fun to teach, right?
Yes, they are. Sometimes noisy, but full of energy.
I can imagine.
I tried to make learning fun for them. We sing songs and play games in English.
That's a great way to teach. They must love your class.
I hope so. I want them to enjoy English, not be afraid of it.
That's the best attitude. Learning should be fun.
Exactly. Oh, and by the way, your English is very good too.
Thank you. I try my best. I practice with customers every day.
That's a great way to learn. Real conversations help a lot.
Yes, I agree. Talking to people like you helps me improve.
You're doing very well, Owen. Keep it up.
Thanks, Ava. You're too kind.
Maybe next time I come, we can practice more English together.
That sounds great. I'd like that.
Do you have many foreign customers here?
Yes, quite a few. Tourists and students mostly.
That's good. You must hear many accents.
Oh, yes. Sometimes I have to listen very carefully.
I do too. Even as a teacher, some accents are hard.
True, but that's what makes English interesting.
Yes, it connects people from everywhere.
I agree. And today, it connected me with you.
That's right. I'm glad I came here today.
Me too. It's been nice talking with you.
Same here. I'll tell my friends about this restaurant.
Thank you so much. We'd love to have them.
I'm sure they'll enjoy it too.
Do you plan to come back soon?
Yes, maybe next weekend. I want to try your pasta next time.
Oh, the pasta is very popular. You'll love it.
Great. I can't wait.
I'll make sure to save you a good seat.
Thank you. That's very sweet.
Anytime.
Okay, I should go now. Thank you again for everything.
You're very welcome, Ava. Have a wonderful day.
You too, Owen. See you next time.
See you soon. Take care. What did you learn from Ava and Owen's friendly restaurant conversation? Share one thing you learned and we'll practice in real life below this video. If you like this video, please leave your comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.